I just received my HDFC Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card, and if you want a free 5-star luxury stay in any Marriott properties around the world, complimentary Marriott Silver Elite status, and 24 free airport lounge access without any restrictions, then this card is a must-have for you, even if you have never stayed at Marriott properties before, like me. In this video, I will show live examples of booking the free Marriott night that comes with the card, and will also explain the whole Marriott Bonvoy status ecosystem, its features and benefits, the reward points and redemption process, hidden terms and conditions, welcome and milestone benefits, and more. Don't forget to apply for the card using the official application link given in the description box below to start your journey in the Marriott ecosystem. A lot of people think that you can only have 3 HDFC credit cards maximum, but it's not true, as this is the 4th HDFC credit card in my collection, and I also own a Millennia and Platinum debit card which came with my specially gold account under preferred banking. I have videos on them all which you can check later on my channel. So the Marriott Bonvoy card comes with a 3,500 rupees yearly fee, which I also paid to get this, and I'm willing to pay every year because the value it provides, it's amazing. One of my friends who own other HDFC cards got an offer to own this card for lifetime free, and I strictly told him to not take it, as getting this card as lifetime free or even first year free is not worth it at all, which I'll explain why later in the video. After getting this card, I also got a joining bonus of 1,500 rupees worth of gift cards just by doing one transaction with the card. These were the brands available for the gift cards, and I redeemed them through Gifter by taking 3 Amazon Pay gift cards worth 500 each. So technically, I am only paying 2,000 rupees for the first year to use this card. These offers keep changing from time to time, so hurry up and apply for the card using my link in description. So the main feature and welcome benefit of this card include complimentary Marriott Silver Elite status plus 1 free night stay for 2% at any Marriott Bonvoy hotel around the world, worth up to 15,000 Marriott points, which gets added by paying the yearly fee every year. So it's not limited to first year only. This is why this card is worth it when you pay the yearly fee and not as lifetime free, since you get 1 free night in Marriott every year. I will show how to use the free night award plus explain the reward redemption process later in the video, so don't miss it. With this card, you also get 2 complimentary golf access per quarter across the world. Comment your city and I'll share the address of golf courses with you. This card also offers different insurance benefits and concierge benefits shown on screen, and also diners exclusive offers in travel, dining, health, etc., since it's a Diners Club International card. Another great feature of the card is that it offers 12 complimentary lounge access within India, both at domestic and international terminals, and 12 complimentary lounge access outside India every year. The best part of the card is that there are no lounge usage restrictions or any hidden minimum spending criteria. You can just swipe your card and use the lounge 24 times in a year or even in a month if you want to, with no per quarter lounge access limitations like other cards. Comment your city and I'll share the lounge list with you. This is the main reason why I personally took this card, because I travel frequently and the free lounge access will come in handy, and also because of 1 free night in Marriott, as I will be experiencing my first ever stay in a 5-star hotel. I come from a very small town in Northeast India, never set foot in any 5-star hotel, as I always stayed in hostels or budget hotels wherever I traveled. So this is an experience I'll save for a special day, because for someone from a middle class background like me, this is huge. Hence, paying the yearly fee is worth it for me, and I hope some of you can relate with me. When your card gets approved, you automatically get enlisted to Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite status for free with 10 Elite Night credits, even if you did not have a Marriott account before. You will receive official email like this with your membership ID welcoming you as a new member in the world of Marriott, and another email informing you about 10 Elite Night credits. Just like me, if you did not have any Marriott account before, you can easily create one in a few minutes by filling in some basic details. On the other hand, if you had a Marriott account before, it will be merged into a single account. You will also get 500 bonus points if you subscribe to their email marketing. Now, let us understand what Silver Elite status means and why it's important. In the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program, Elite Night credits are the nights that count toward earning or maintaining elite status in the program, just like how flight miles count toward airline status. Marriott has 5 tier status, which is Silver to Ambassador. Those 10 nights from Silver Elite also count toward the next tier. So if you stay 15 actual nights in Marriott hotels, you will reach 25 total nights and qualify for Gold Elite status. If you have this card, you don't have to stay 10 nights to get Silver. This card gives it automatically as a welcome gift. Frequent travelers can use this 10 nights as a boost to climb to Gold or Titanium faster. Please note, these 10 Elite Night credits reset each year and don't carry forward. They are also not redeemable for free stays. They are just qualifying nights for tier progression from silver to ambassador. The Marriott status is helpful to get members discount, bonus points on eligible hotel spends, and it also improves your on-property experience, such as having the option of late checkout, priority check-in, complimentary breakfast, free room upgrades, and more, as you can see on your screen, which improves with your tier. This card also has milestone benefits of one free night in any Marriott hotel on eligible spends of 6 lakh rupees in a year, then another second free night on crossing 9 lakhs, and lastly third free night on crossing spends of 15 lakh rupees in a year using this card. Currently, this card has anniversary special offer of 5,000 Marriott points on spends of 1 lakh and 10,000 points on spends of 2.5 lakh till 30th November 2025. These offers are dynamic and keep changing from time to time, so hurry and apply for the card using the link in description, and please don't forget to like the video, and a sub to the channel will be appreciated too. So with this card, you will earn 8 Marriott Bonvoy points per 150 rupees spent at Marriott hotels, including room booking, dining, spa, room services, etc. done within any Marriott property, 4 reward points per 150 rupees spent on travel, dining and entertainment outside Marriott, and 2 reward points per 100 rupees spent on all other applicable purchases except these categories. So the total points you earn using the card can be redeemed in your Marriott Bonvoy member account for hotel, dining or golf bookings around the world, or to transfer points in 3:1 ratio to air mile partners like KrisFlyer, Etihad, Emirates, etc. as you can see in the list, which also gives bonus 5,000 miles for every 60,000 points. Comment air mile list after watching this video and I'll share the whole list with you, and kindly like the video. Also, if you transfer your Marriott points to United Mileage Plus, you will earn 10,000 bonus miles for every 60,000 points you transfer. You can also use your Marriott points to redeem in Marriott Bonvoy moments like for events, parties, etc. around the world, or you can convert them to buy gift cards for shopping. The best part is, if you have Marriott points by using other cards like an Amex or Axis Atlas, you can transfer those points to your Marriott account and combine them in a single account to redeem them anywhere in the world. For hotel bookings in India, the approximate redemption value can range from 50 paisa per point to possibly 1 rupee to even 1.5 rupees in some cases, depending on the location, property, time, etc. Marriott's dynamic pricing means redemption costs may fluctuate, but with proper planning, you can get 7x worth of benefits by paying the 3,000 rupees yearly fee and not even counting the 24 free lounge access, which is insane. Let me use the card for a few months and I'll make a follow-up video sharing my own experience of redeeming the points, so subscribe and stay tuned. During off-peak seasons or weekdays, the same hotel that costs 20,000 points might drop to 15,000 or even 14,000 points, letting you redeem your free night award fully. So here's how you claim your one free night award. Go to Marriott.com, log into your member account, enter date and destination, click on use points/awards and filter properties under 15,000 points, and you will find many properties depending on your location and time of the year. That way, you will know exactly where your free night award can be used without paying anything extra. Please note, if you do not redeem the full value of your free night award worth 15,000 points, the unused points will not be recredited to your Marriott account. If the night costs more than 15,000 points, you can top up with Marriott Bonvoy points up to 15,000 extra points to increase the free night award value to a maximum of 30,000 points. You must have the extra Marriott Bonvoy points in your account to top up, or you can just buy the points from Marriott official website as well. Please note, the free night award can only be topped up with Marriott Bonvoy points, not with cash or credit card payment, and you can't do partial redemption. Also, when you book for 5 nights straight at Marriott using points, you get the 5th night for free. So, who should apply for this card and why? Well, there are two kinds of folks who should consider getting this card. Number one, if you prefer luxury travel and stay in Marriott properties frequently, then this is a no-brainer card for you. No further thinking needed, just get this card. The official application link is given in the description box below. On the other hand, if you're like me, who has never stayed at Marriott properties before and does not intend to as well by paying their exorbitant fees, but you are someone who travels frequently, then the 24 lounge access without any restrictions or spending requirement can be very useful, and not to mention the one free night every year by paying the fee, which I believe can be a nice one-time experience on special days like birthday, anniversary, etc. That is why I got the card as well, for the free night and no BS lounge access. So, irrespective of which group you fall under, I would strongly advise to not use this card for day-to-day spends and use it for Marriott ecosystem only, otherwise the reward rate will be too low. It can be a good card in your collection for the lounge access and for Marriott stays, whether once in a year or frequently. Hope everything is clear. Let me know if you have any doubts and watch this video next where I talked about the 6 best HDFC credit cards which is currently on lifetime free offer for a limited time. Hurry up and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.